Did you know the world's longest sneezing fit lasted an astonishing 27 seconds? That's right. Imagine sneezing nonstop for nearly half a minute. It's a bizarre thought, but our bodies can be pretty strange. For instance, did you know that your stomach gets a new lining every few days? That's to protect it from the acid that breaks down food. And here's another oddity. Your bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. So, while sneezing might seem like a nuisance, it's just one of the many quirky things our bodies do. Isn't it fascinating how resilient and weird we really are?